The Philippine Navy is taking a major step in boosting its self-reliance in defense manufacturing. As discussions with the Italian Navy progress, the Philippines seeks to secure technology transfer provisions that could reshape its naval capabilities. But what does this mean for the country's maritime future? And what role does Italy's premier shipbuilder, Fincantieri, play in this initiative? Let's dive deep into this topic. The push for technology transfer aligns with the Self-Reliance Defense Posture Revitalization Law, or RA 2024. This law aims to strengthen the Philippines' defense industry by acquiring the capability to build and maintain its own military assets. For the Navy, this means gaining knowledge and expertise that could help manufacture and maintain its warships locally. Securing a technology transfer agreement with Italy would be a significant step in this direction. The Italian Navy has long been a pioneer in naval technology, and tapping into their expertise could fast-track the Philippines' efforts to develop its own naval defense industry. At the center of these discussions is Fincantieri, Italy's largest naval shipbuilder. This company has an impressive track record, having produced the Bergamini-class FRM frigates and di-Revel-class PPA patrol vessels for the Italian Navy. Additionally, they've built Abu Dhabi-class corvettes for the UAE Navy. Each of these ships boasts advanced technology, powerful weaponry, and state-of-the-art naval systems. This makes them highly desirable assets for any navy. However, there's one major concern: cost. One of the biggest hurdles in this potential acquisition is budget constraints. The Philippine Navy has already invested in the South Korean-built Malvar-class frigates, which were procured at a significantly lower cost compared to Italy's offerings. The FREM frigates and di-Revel PPAs are among the most advanced warships in the world, but they come with a hefty price tag. For the Philippine Navy to afford these ships, the budget must be carefully considered. This is why the best option might be for the Philippines to work with Fincantieri on a cost-effective, tailor-made design. This would allow the Navy to procure vessels within its budget while still benefiting from Italian naval expertise. If the tech transfer agreement is finalized, the Philippines stands to gain numerous benefits. These include the ability to locally manufacture warships, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers, advanced naval technology that could improve the country's maritime defense capabilities, strengthen diplomatic ties with Italy, paving the way for future military and defense cooperation. More importantly, having a shipbuilding partnership with a top-tier company like Fincantieri could significantly boost the Philippines' own defense industry in the long run. While this proposal is promising, several challenges remain. Aside from budget constraints, the Philippine Navy must also ensure that local shipbuilders have the infrastructure and capability to integrate Italian naval technology effectively. Furthermore, Italy's willingness to share sensitive naval technology and intellectual property could be a point of negotiation. Some defense manufacturers are reluctant to transfer proprietary technology, so the Philippines must carefully navigate these discussions. The Philippine Navy's move to secure technology transfer provisions from Italy marks a bold step toward self-reliance. While budgetary constraints remain a challenge, the long-term benefits of such a deal could reshape the country's naval defense capabilities. What do you think about this potential partnership between the Philippine and Italian navies? Should the Philippines push forward with acquiring ships from Fincantieri? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Philippine military's modernization efforts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.